Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. This is a GE 27-inch cubic foot French door stainless steel refrigerator. So thank you guys for sending this. We're about to unveil it. Show you guys what it looks inside. Tons of room. Look at that. Got the drawers up. So the 27-inch cubic. Got that in there. Got there these drawers slide out. Really cool. They got the temperatures up here. Tons of space. And the cool part is this down here. Got the freezer. Deep, really deep. Nice backup. There you go. Put your ice cubes in there. Got the bottom for your steaks. Easy to shut. Oh, it's alright though. Look at that though. Really cool. So that's the GE French door 27-inch. All you guys gotta do is check them out. Link will be down below. And that's about it. I mean, pretty easy to show. Got that. Got one side open. There we go. And what else have we got? We got turbo cool, water filter, door alarm, freezer, and these fold. So that's really cool. Shut it back to close it. And look, got a spring action. Oh, that's what it does. Alright. Bam. And open and shut. So definitely happy with this one. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. And that's about it today, YouTubers. So definitely check them out. GE 27-inch cubic French door. Energy Star. Let's see what else. You got the turbo cooling system. Keep your food nice and fresh. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good one. Be safe and see ya.